2:15, heading towards Long Beach, LA Port to drop this empty I have. If you like what you see, subscribe, follow, share for more. So here we are. Like I said, heading back, going to the LA Long Beach area. Any followers, new followers, follow me, comment, subscribe.